Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you top 15 lipsticks in which drugstore is also included and high ends are also included and the mid-range is also included, so that it will be easy for you guys to buy any products if you want to buy. Okay guys, now let's get started with the video. First shade which I want to talk about is the Nykaa Next Level Nude. I am showing you all the top 15 lipstick. I'm doing this video so that if you want to buy any lipstick, you can buy it looking at the swatches. Some I will swatch on my lips and some I will show it on my hand, so that it would be easy for you to buy. So this is the Next Level Nude lipstick from Mattelicious range from Nykaa. I've just applied on my lips. You can see this is the shade I'm already wearing on my lips. I will swatch it on my hand also so that it would be easy for you. You can see this is a very nude shade. If you love nude shades, you would love this lipstick. And the range is also very affordable. You can just give it a try on this lipstick. The next lipstick which I want to show you is from NYX. This is their soft matte cream lipstick, soft matte lip cream lipstick. You can see there is no shade name written on this. So if I'll get the shade name, I'll just put it in the link below. So this is, you can see the shade is very bright. You can see the shade, it's a very nudish pink and it's a very nice shade. This is their mini version and it's a soft matte cream lipstick. It feels little sticky on the lips, but it's a very nice lipstick if you want to try this lipstick from NYX. The next lipstick which I want to show you is from Kiko. This is the Kiko Milani lipstick and the shade name is Velvet Passion. I will show you the shade. This is the orange shade, you can see. It's a very nice shade. It's a very coral shade, and if you're very fair, this will really suit on your skin. On the medium skin also, medium skin tone also, this will be very nice. So I will show you. I'll just swatch it on my hand and I will show you this lipstick. You can see it's a very nice shade, and this lipstick I have used for correcting my under eye also. You have, if you have not seen that video, so you can just go and watch it out. I have used this for covering my dark circles, and it's a very nice shade for your lips also. So this is lipstick from Kiko and the texture is also very nice. It's a Velvet Passion lipstick. You can just give it a try if you want. The next shade which I want to talk about is from Revlon. The shade name is Pearl Blush. It's a very nice lipstick. This is the little glossy lipstick, you can see, and it's a little copperish pinkish shade. You can see it's a little glittery shade, but it's a very nice for weddings, and you can use this as an eyeshadow also for lipstick also. Okay guys, so the next one I'm showing you from Revlon is their shade number 205 Pearl Champagne. It's a very nice shade, and I have shown you the similar shade before this. These both are almost similar, but one is little bit pinkish and one is copperish shade. You can see I have swatched it over here. And the before I have showed you the shade number was 420 Blush. This is the shade from Revlon, and this is their 205. I'll just show it on my lips so that it would be easy for you. It's a literally nude shade. You can see it's a very glossy shade. You can see it's a very glossy shade. You can use the shade as a highlighter also. 205. It's a very nice shade, and Revlon lipsticks are really very nice. You can just give it a try. I have shown you two lipsticks of theirs. They are very nice. Just give it a try. The next one which I want to show you is from Kiko. You can see I am showing you this lipstick from Kiko. Fall 20 Shiny Lipstick Gloss, and you can see the shade is really very pretty. It's a pink nude shade. I'll just swatch it on my hand so that it would be easy for you to see. You can see it's a pink nude shade, but this is a very nice shade for fair skin people. You can see. So the shade name is 20 Fall. So this is the shade from Kiko, and the next shade from Kiko I want to show you is 816, and this is their glossy lipstick. You can see it's a pink glossy lipstick. This is also a very nice shade. If you want, I will just show it on my lips so that it would be easy for you to buy. So I'm swatching this on my lips. You can see it's a glossy lipstick. You will feel like a lip gloss. I'll just show you. It has a glitter chunks also in this. It's a very nice lipstick for marriages and everything, you can see. It's a very nice shade, you can just give it a try. After that, the next shade from Kiko only I want to show you is the 807 shade. This is also similar to this. This is a orangish tone. The first I have applied is a pink shade. This is 807 and the before one which I have showed you was 816. This is also from Kiko. The texture is similar which I am wearing on my lips already. You can see I have done a swatch over here. So that it would be easy for you to differentiate. I will show you that swatch also on my hand. So both are, one is literally pink and one is little orange. You can see. One is little pink and one is little orange. The both shades are very nice. You can just give it a try on this. This is their glossy range. Okay guys, so the next I am showing the last. This is last from Kiko. This is the Kiko Milani colored balm, lip balm. And it's a very nice, you can see it's a lip balm. It's a Kiko Milani lip balm, which looks very nice. And the shade is strawberry. It's their lip balm. I'll just swatch it. You can see it has a little tint in this. But whenever you apply it on your lips, it will give you one little tint on your lips. And it's a very nice lip balm. The smell of this is, it's like a strawberry. As I told you, it's a strawberry lip balm. So this is also very nice. You can see the packaging is also very good. And if you want to try Kiko brand, I have shown you 4 lipstick of theirs, so that if you want, you can give it a try on their lipstick. Okay guys, so the next shade which I want to show you is Pout About from Sports Girl. This is a little expensive lipstick, and this you will not get over here. So this is a pink shade. It's a very bright pink shade. If you love pink shades, then you will love this lipstick. I'm swatching it over here. You can see the lipstick shade. It's a very bright pink lipstick. And if you want an affordable dupe of this, I will show you. This is the affordable dupe of this. This is Maybelline Pink Alert. The shade is almost same. You can see I will just swatch it over here for you. The shade are almost same. You will get this same shade in the affordable range also. This is the dupe. You can see it's almost similar shade. So I have shown you this Sports Girls dupe of this. This is Maybelline. And both are very much similar shades. So if you like the shade, you can just buy this Maybelline lipstick and you will be sorted. Okay guys, the next lipstick which I want to show you is from Nykaa, their miniature lipstick. This is the shade name is written over here is 37M, you can see. And it's a very nice shade. So I am applying the shade on my lips and I am showing you. You can see guys, a very nice shade, and it will go on all Indian skin tones. Nykaa as a range is really very inexpensive, and you can buy it. This is their 370M shade, and it looks very good on any skin tone. If you're dark also, if you're medium also, and if you're fair also, this will suit all skin types. And this will the staying power of this is 2 to 3 hours. If you eat any oily, you have to redo it. Okay guys, so the next shade which I want to show you is from Maybelline. You know how much I love Maybelline. They are Super Stay Ink. I have already shown you 2 lipstick in my before videos. If you have not seen the top 5 and the top 10 before, so you just go and check it out. This is the next, this is the shade called Dreamer. I'm not swatching it on my lips. I will just show it on my hand. So this is the shade called Dreamer. It's a very bright pink shade, you can see. It's a very nice shade. If you want to give it a try, you can give, and the staying power is also very good. You don't need to touch up again and again. The range of this Maybelline Super Stay Ink lipsticks are very nice. You can just give it a try on this. The next lipstick which I am to show is from Nykaa. This is also their miniature. The shade name is Bombay, and it's a very nice shade. Everyone just love this shade. I have already emptied this shade. It's a very nice nude shade. I will just swatch it on my hand. You can see it's a very nice nude shade, and it's a nice shade. If you want, you can just give it a try. And if you want to buy this miniature, they are very inexpensive. I think around $2.99 or $1.99. I will list all the price below so that you can go and check it out. The next lipstick in the affordable range is from Lakme 925. You can see the shade name is Coral. This is a very nice shade. You can see it's a very nice shade. I'll just swatch it on my hand. And this is also a glossy shade. See, this is not very matte. It's a glossy orange coral shade. And if you love coral, then you will love this lipstick. And this is also not very it will stay only for 2 to 3 hours on your lips, then you have to redo it. And the price range is also very inexpensive. You should give it a try on this. Okay guys, the last lipstick which I want to show you is from Lakme Absolute Gloss Stylish. If you want to go for any glossy lipstick, so you can just give it a try on this. The shade name is, there's no shade name written over here. It's only written Lakme Absolute Gloss Stylish. So I will just swatch it for you. It's a pinky orangish glossy shade, you can see. So this is a very nice shade. If you want to give it a try, you can give it a try. I have shown you some on my lips and some I have swatched it, so that it would be easy for you to buy. Okay guys, I hope you like this information, and I have done all the lipstick which are, some are affordable and some are expensive, so that if you want to buy, you can just give it a try on the lipstick. I have shown you 4 lipsticks from Kiko. Okay guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and please like and share my videos guys. Bye, take care, stay healthy.